Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a vibrant collection of fancy soft silk sarees. The material used in these collections are light in weight and soft in nature. And about the maintenance, you can easily hand wash these sarees at home only. Moving to the design, unique 3D embossed designs are running throughout the body. Also, beautiful puttas are symmetrically arranged through which. All these sarees are having a contrast rich pallu and a plain blouse. And the unique borders in these collections enhancing the elegance these sarees. And these pretty collections you are getting in an offer price of 850 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be very less from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number. We will reply as soon as possible, maximum within 12 hours. Also note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.